Hey guys, James here with the Pham Real Estate Group. So today we're going to be speaking with Entee with Polaris Home Loans, and we're going to be speaking about the non-QM loan, and we're going to talk about some of the different type of loan programs that Polaris Home Loans has that can help you guys get approved for a mortgage. If you're not approved for a traditional loan through just like your W-2s, your bank statement, and your pay stubs and your credit score, this this information will help you guys figure out if you guys can get approved or not. It's a non-QM, non-traditional loan, and there's some of the most popular non-QM loans out there that Entee is going to go over. Mostly the non-QM loan is for self-employed people, business owners, 1099, or both, that doesn't show consistent income, W-2 income. And it's a very flexible income for you if you want to buy a house, if you're self-employed. So Entee, can you go over some of the non-QM loans and down payment? I know you have the 12-month bank statement loan programs that you have, right? Can you go over the 12-month bank statement loan program and what it is and what you need, like requirements, down payment requirements, minimum, and pretty much everything you know about the 12-month bank statement programs?
Yeah, about a 12-month bank statement program, we have we have actually it's like 3 month, 6 month, and then 12-month bank statement program. As long as it is, so like the pricing gonna be better. Like, and normally we always try to prove at like 12 months for the better pricing. And then with the 12-month bank statement program, it's normally we just check only the deposit to your bank account, to your business bank account or personal bank account if you are the 1099. And then they will check it and use it at their income right away. So even with your tax files really low or a lot of expense, and so it's not show enough for qualified mortgage, the 12-month bank statement program is mostly for the self-employed, and then business owner, and then the 1099.
What are the minimum down payment that you can put for a 12-month bank statement loan?
It's gonna be starting from 10%.
So starting from 10%, what are the maximum that you can borrow up to roughly?
Like you can do like 90% of the loan to value.
Right.
Yeah, but then if you put more down payment,
Yeah.
the pricing gonna be better.
What about if I'm trying to buy a property that's like 1.2 mil, like maybe 10 mil, like what are the minimum, like what are the maximum I can borrow?
So the maximum you can borrow, like it's always like, because when we talk about that, we're gonna talk about like what is the purchase price.
Right.
Yeah, and so like if the purchase price is like $2 million.
Right.
Yeah, so or $1 million, for example. So it's the best maximum loan amount you can obtain is up to like $900,000.
So the maximum you can borrow is nine. Okay, so what if I want to buy a $2 million house? Like, can I use a non-QM for that?
Non-QM, yes, but then it's gonna fall in under, like, because if the house is huge value like that and it's passed over the conforming limit from the government, so they're gonna consider it's a jumbo loan. Yeah.
Okay, so it has to be able to conform in terms of like the area. So right now we're currently in Fresno, and conventional loan is around $648,000. Anything past that is considered as a jumbo loan.
Yeah.
So so just keep that in mind. Also, what are the credit score that is required for a 12-month bank statement?
They really flexible on that, and so they're gonna starting with 660.
660,
Yeah.
roughly. What if, do they care about like bankruptcy? Like what, like I have a client that filed bankruptcy, like what about all those?
So like if you already file bankruptcy or anything, they will really concerned about that. So they have to like to see exactly 84 months with their bankruptcy or foreclosure or any like serious felony.
Got it. Do you have any programs in the event that a client recently filed bankruptcy, like non-QM loan programs for that, or?
Actually no. Yeah.
Okay.
So like the bankruptcy, you have to wait for like 7 years after discharge. And so this is, I know like it's hard a little bit, but then so the only option maybe is to have to be hard money.
Do you guys offer hard money in terms of like the non-QM route, or that's just for a different
No,
company?
normally hard money is for like the private investor only. So like if you know somebody, you can borrow from them, but then they don't check credit score and they
Right.
like really easy with the really huge interest rate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally hard money is currently right now, hard money currently, depending on when we're at, right now we're in April 2022. Conventional loan is around 5%, 5.25%. And if you go in hard money route, it can go all the way up to 8%. So then that will give you an idea. So to take advantage of the low rates, right? They can do either 6 months statement or 12 months. So the longer the I guess the longer the statement, right?
Better
The lower,
pricing.
the better the pricing. So what are you seeing right now in terms of like your company 12-month bank statement program, which is the what you guys have for self-employed people?
So actually our company like have really good program, really competitive pricing also. And then the program for us like under like we have really flexible like underwriting process, and then less required down. Like somebody when they say no to you with the 12-month bank statement program, you can come to us, talk to me a little bit, and so we're gonna find out if you qualify or not.
What are like okay, hypothetically, what about like citizenship status? What about those?
Oh, it have to be. Yeah, we have a foreigner loan also.
Right.
Yeah, but then with the 12-month bank statement program, you have to be the business owner and then citizen or like green card or something.
Citizens, green card, what about work permits? Or not those?
H1B and H1B, and then a lot of like the other visa, like work visa or like I remember like
It's like a I-37 something.
yeah, and so like we have the specific guideline for each of them, but then check with me about that.
So I'll check with you. Okay, fantastic. So the 12-month bank statement, currently what are you seeing in terms of like rates with the 12-month bank statement program versus the traditional loan? So then we can have a better idea of like the best route.
Normally, the 12-month bank statement program is the best non-QM product for like the self-employed and then business owner and then 1099.
So self-employed business owner, yeah.
Yeah. And then so actually the best pricing, but they never can compare with like the QM mortgage, like the qualified mortgage.
Yeah.
So the pricing they only like 1 point different.
So it'll be about like a 1% difference, but the thing is that it's very versatile. It doesn't require W-2s. It doesn't require 2021 taxes, because currently right now we're in 2022. It doesn't require 2020 taxes. So there's a lot of things to like about it. Also, I wanted to ask you, so what's the difference between the 12 months bank statement programs and all the other non-QM programs that you have?
Actually, the 12-month bank statement program is they still calculate income down. Yeah.
Okay.
And so actually, a lot of people they have a huge deposit to their bank, and so like, but then they file their tax is a little bit low, and then a lot of expense, and then the net profit they're gonna fall down under like a little bit. But then actually they have a huge deposit to the bank, and so the bank statement program is the best pricing, and then require a lot of doc compared to the others.
So the bank statement, the 12-month bank statement program require more docs, right? So you'll need 12-month bank statements,
Consistent.
or just would it average it out? Let's just say if they make 200 grand
Yeah.
that year, and then they average it out, say 40, 30 grand, right? Or even 20 grand. So I'll average out 20 grand a month. So we need that 12 months. We need 2021 taxes or no?
No, they don't care about how much you file in your tax. So they gonna care about like only like how long you stay in the business.
It's how long you stay in the business. Let's just say, so you stay in the business for, what are the minimum requirement year for the business?
2 years.
2 years? But if you show that you've been physically register for 1 year, but you've been practicing.
Yeah, with that situation, so we have to deep down to like the borrower scenario.
Right.
Like, yeah, but then we have a lot of ways, like
Right.
as soon as I can talk to the borrower, so I think like we have a lot of way to help them to purchase the house.
Got it. So again, you just need a good credit score. What's the minimum credit score? 660 or 680?
660.
660 credit score, minimum 10% down. The more percent down, the lower the rates. The higher the higher the credit score, the lower the rates, of course. No, this is a really good product. So if they want to know more about this, they'll definitely reach out to you. Your contact information is down below. Is there anything else you want to add about the 12-month bank statement programs and all that?
No, this is the best product already, and so like if you can show it, so it's actually the best for the self-employed.
Yeah. Okay. So there you guys have it. Hopefully you enjoy this video. The 12-month bank statement program is really good for a lot of our self-employed programs. I love self-employed workers, truck drivers, real estate agents. We have, self-employed, say contractor, like, high servicing contractor jobs, like sometimes even dentists, doctors, they do private contracting work, sometimes even travel nurses a lot of times too. A lot of ways for you to take advantage of the product, of the programs, if you can't qualify for a traditional loan. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is James. I'm here with Entee. She's with Polaris Home Loans. We're chopping it up, talking about the 12-month bank statement and the non-QM loans and the benefits of it. Anyways, Entee, you want to wrap it up by saying last things?
So like our dream, like James and me, our dream is like try to help one of the buyer can buy the house. So if you cannot qualify with the traditional loan, just come to us, and so we try to help you go through the process.
Yep. So anyway, guys, this is James, Entee, signing out. Peace and love, guys.